Let's begin our prayer for peace. First, being grateful for our bodies, for our minds, for our breath. Being grateful we have the tools to calm our system. Being grateful for the glimpse of our true self, the quiet stillness, pure being. And now expand your awareness to include your loved ones. And you can see them in your mind's eye or imagine them individually or collectively, and see through their outer layers to their pure essence. See them whole and well, healthy and happy. And most importantly, see them awakening, realizing that they have peace inside too. Now expand that care and that lens to your acquaintances, maybe the people you just interact with or the people in your community. And you don't have to see them each individually. Just collectively think of the people that you interact with and see them also the same pure essence. And now expand again to the world this time. 8 billion people, souls in expressing in unique ways. Let's hold each of them in our awareness. We see you as whole and well, happy and healthy, awakening to your pure essence inside. Expand your mind one more time to include all souls and all life, things expressing in this planet and things that are in other realms, but also all the animals and insects and plants and other forms of life on our planet. Send blessings and peace. And now let's get very practical. Think of your day today. What is ahead of you? Who will you see? Who will you touch? What situations do you need to handle? And if something comes to mind that might be challenging or where you just want to remember to approach it mindfully, see that situation now and see yourself showing up like someone who meditated and prayed for peace in the morning. So know that anytime today and into the week, you can tap into this feeling without a 20 or 25-minute meditation. It actually only takes a second to just pause, take a breath, and remember. Let's close with 3 more breaths. Thank yourself for showing up today. I thank you for showing up today. Namaste.